For UG as well as for PG, we have a lot of academic flexibility where the students can pursue with different kind of program electives, open electives, and also they are given multiple opportunities to excel in their own interest. Myself, Dr. Parma Nand, Dean, School of Engineering and Technology, as well as Pro Vice Chancellor for the Sharda University. In Sharda University, from the first semester to the sixth semester, we have incorporated with credits all the 6 courses of soft skills. Apart from the soft skills embedded into the curriculum, the technical skill activities are also provided over and above the regular curriculum which is planned meticulously. Under that, the students are given opportunities to work on different kind of skill based platforms like HackerRank, CodeChef, Leads Code and many more. The students are advised to enroll for GitHubs, Gigs for Gigs and other similar kind of platforms. This not only in the computer science engineering, they are given opportunities for their own domain specific skills. In the market, there are a lot of buzz about these terminologies like AI, machine learning, deep learning, augmented reality, virtual reality, metaverse, cyber security and many more are there in the market. But as such in the Sharda University, our curriculum is equally weighted out for the other programs as well. For example, if we look at the program Electronics and Communication Engineering, there also we have given a lot of specializations. Specializations like electrical vehicles. Similarly, in the mechanical engineering, we are provided with the mechatronics, automobile engineering. Even in the biotechnology department of our School of Engineering Technology, we have given specializations like genetic engineering and the stem cell engineering as well. The students of the core programs are provided with different kind of minors as well. Minors in entrepreneurship, minors in the human values and ethics, minors in the AI machine learning, minors in other modern technology based minors are provided to them. In Sharda University, we have a lot of focus on the entrepreneurs. We are not only focusing on creation of job seekers, we are focusing on the job providers as well. And therefore, for all the engineering students, we are providing one basic course on the entrepreneurship, and then onwards, those who are interested to pursue in entrepreneurship or they like to go on their own startups, they are given advanced courses on entrepreneurship. For them, they are provided with the mentors. In Sharda University, we are having the launchpad as well. That launchpad is giving the advices to the students, and we are providing the seed money as well. If the students are having a good idea and he is able to present in front of the committee decides to give the seed money. Many students are given support to get the funding from many other funding agencies, the government agency as well as they are provided with different kind of financiers. Apart from all these facilities which are provided to all the engineering students, and not only to the engineering students, it is given to all the students of the university. At the time of admission, we are floated one special kind of scholarship that is called idea-based scholarship. If the students are giving the idea in the beginning itself to us, the committee decides to give the scholarship to the students. The scholarship which is given to the students, which is idea-based, normally varies from 40%, 60%, 80% and 100%. And every year we give the opportunity to the students to present their progress, and the basis of their progress that scholarship is continued to the another years as well. Launchpad in the Sharda University is a special facility that is created under the vision of Honorable Chancellor and the Pro Chancellor and Vice Chancellor, where the director is deputed, as well as he has got a big team who help all the students who are interested to go for the startups. They are provided with a legal support, as well as they are given a financial support. The Sharda University is also giving the funding for their startups, as well as Launchpad brings many of the people from the industry who are willing to support financially to our students. Recently we got funding from government in the tune of 3 crore, under which different kind of projects are given funding. The growing technologies in modern and today's time, all the students are required to skill and upskill their own skills. The technologies are changing very fast. AI is encroaching all the domains, all the areas, knowingly or unknowingly. And therefore in Sharda University, we have introduced one concept, that AI for all. All the students of the engineering as well as the students of other domains are given this AI for all courses, whether they are from the engineering or from the pharmacy or for the medical sciences or from the nursing or from the architecture, or it may be humanities, social sciences, history, psychology, or whatever may be. The concept behind this, we like to skill every student on the latest technologies. Understanding the requirement and the skills, we have introduced one course in the first year itself, that is named as Creativity and Design Thinking. Under this course, students are free to develop their own ideas, as well as they are free to pursue with different kind of areas like multimedia, EV, or any other. They are provided with the mentors, faculties, and they are guided appropriately. For this, we are also having the different workshop as well as student development program, where we are calling the industry people to give the detailed description of what the creativity thinking and design thinking is. Having this idea from the beginning itself, when students are pursuing with the all 4 years in Sharda University, they are capable to develop their own products. They are capable to create the research project, research papers, which are being published in Scoopus Index conferences, Scoopus as well as the SCI journals, and at the end, they are in a position to have a better resume for the placement drives.